In this video, I'll guide you through the Elementor Top Bar, highlighting the essential tools for building your page. The Top Bar offers quick access to vital features in the editor, letting you manage your page smoothly without leaving this workspace. Starting on the left side, you'll notice the Elementor logo. Click here to explore options like Site Settings, the Theme Builder, or even to exit back to WordPress. There are plenty more options you can explore from here. Next up is the Add Element option, where you can open the widget panel to start adding elements to your page. Right beside it is Page Settings, where you can modify the title, add an excerpt, change the page layout, and more. You'll also find the Style and Advanced tabs here. Next to them is History, allowing you to track changes and easily undo or redo actions while editing. In the middle of the top bar, you'll see responsive options, including desktop, tablet, and mobile modes. These options ensure your design looks great on any device. Another handy tool is the Finder, which lets you quickly navigate between pages, templates, or settings. On the right side, there's the Structure option, which shows the entire layout of your page. This helps you stay organized and focus on editing current widgets. Next to that is Preview Changes, allowing you to see how the page looks on the front end. Depending on your setup, you might also see a Pages panel in the top bar. This feature is available for users with Elementor hosting, enabling you to switch between pages and manage them directly from the editor without returning to the WordPress dashboard. There's also a What's New feature for the latest updates and news from Elementor. On the far right, you'll find the Publish button, which lets you publish your changes. The drop-down menu also includes options like Save Draft and Save as Template. Overall, the top bar provides quick access to crucial tools while you're working in Elementor, making it easier to build and manage your pages efficiently.